Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Wednesday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 4th of September 2024. US Dow Jones decreased 1.15%, settling the day at 40,936.93, while Nasdaq ended the session at 17,136.30, falling 3.26%. In the Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 37,293.91, and Hang Seng is trading at 17,474.74. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 25,158, indicating a start in the red for the Indian market. FII bought 1,029.25 crore in the cash market, while DII bought 1,896.21 crore in the last trading session. SEBI plans to ease registration for foreigners buying government debt. Defense Ministry clears 10 projects worth 144,716 rupees crore. Now talking about global aspects, oil drops more than 3% after media report of a potential end to Libya dispute. Safe haven yen rallies, Aussie sinks as markets brace for US payrolls test. WTI fell 4.4% to $70.34 a barrel, and Brent fell 4.9% to $73.75 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 101.63. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 0.45%, down. Here is a recap of Tuesday's trading session. The Indian benchmark indices remained steady near record highs as investors awaited upcoming data from the US that could impact the scale of interest rate cuts later this month. The Sensex and Nifty indices closed the day largely unchanged at 82,555.44 and 25,279.85, respectively. Outlook for the day. The Nifty index lacked momentum and failed to surpass the previous day's high, but buying interest is expected to emerge. The next key resistance is at 25,400. A breakout above this level could propel the index towards 25,700. On the downside, a drop below 25,000 may lead to further weakness towards 24,800. The overall trend remains bullish, making a buy on dip strategy favorable. Nifty Bank has shown strong momentum, which is likely to persist. A move above 51,800 could drive the index towards 52,300. However, if the support at 51,400 fails to hold, it could lead to a decline towards 51,000. Given the overall bullish sentiment, a buy on dip strategy is favored. Stocks on the radar are: bullish view, OFSS, JK Cement, MTAR Technologies, Voltas, Triveni Turbine. Bearish view, Jindal Steel, Trent, Info Edge, GNFC, Chambal Fertilizer. Our chart of the day is bullish on ICICI Bank. Trade of the day: ICICI Bank, buy at 1,244 to 1,247. Stop 1,210. Target 1,290. Aggressive targets at 1,275. Rationale: momentum catch up. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.